ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్గా మామూలుగా?
We have given 2,000 scholarships. 2,000 scholarships in BTech, computer science, MBBS, agriculture, hotel management, hospitality, artificial intelligence, flying, IAS, IPS, IRS, all UPSC exams, NEET, everything. I have every day now, as I was talking to you now, still I was going through that thing only, the list of people who have joined it. My mother was a professor, Professor Saroj Sood. She always used to tell, if you want to give it to someone, or if you want to help someone, educate one person in the family. If one person gets educated, the whole generation changes. So educate them. I'm happy that I'm able to educate 2,000 just now in few months.
మీరు చేసే సేవా కార్యక్రమాల్లో చారిటీ షోస్ చూసి ఎవరిని ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యి ఐ విల్ డొనేట్ crores of rupees, lakhs of rupees, anybody see asking you?
But a lot of people say that we feel that you're doing right. We feel you're genuine. What can we do? What can we do? I said, I don't want any donation. You give it directly to that
Not
hospital.
single rupee.
No. I said directly to that hospital. Someone wanted me to honor with an award. I said, I don't want an award. If you want to honor me, do a surgery for me. Hospital of your choice. Do an education for me. Institute of your choice. Pay directly to the... She said, this is a very big thing. I said, when I have a trophy in my room, I have many trophies lying there. They don't value for me. I don't want to add another trophy in my room. But when I see your trophy, I should say, because of this trophy, I could save someone's life. So I said, pay directly to Apollo, pay directly to KL, pay whichever hospital you want. Give me one surgery free of cost.
అట్లా ఈ కరోనా టైంలో లాస్ట్ 5-6 monthsలో ఎనీబడి ఈస్ డూయింగ్ దట్?
Yes, many people. Many people. I put the condition, otherwise I won't. Someone wants to come me for a webinar to motivate people. I said, I'm not coming. First, do something good so that I talk about that. What will I talk in webinar? I'll talk about, oh, you should come for the society, work together, do something good. I'm not interested. I'm interested in talking about what we did. Help someone. I'll come in the webinar, I'll talk, okay, I'm coming to this webinar because all of you saved someone's life. That's what I want to talk about. And they feel very nice. They said, yeah, this is right. And if you can't do it, I can't motivate you because you are not alive for me. You are a dead person. So that's why. So everyone, a lot of people did it.
మిమ్మల్ని ఇన్స్పిరేషన్గా తీసుకుని సో మెనీ పీపుల్ ఈస్ కమింగ్, హౌ డు ఫీల్?
I feel very nice. I feel there was one gentleman sitting. He said, it's like a movement. First time people have experienced a movement across the country. In the world, people are talking about it, that one person is there who is helping in employment, who is helping in education, who is helping in medical, everywhere is helping. So it's kind of a movement which has inspired a lot of people, and yes, still to inspire a lot. Two sons, they are very happy, they feel very proud, and I asked them, you also have to do good. They said, no, daddy, we will do it. So I feel the way I have learned from my parents, they must have learned something from me.
What is the education?
One has just completed his 12th. He'll go to for the next education. One is in 6th standard.
అంటే మనం ఏదైనా మంచి పని చేస్తే అడ్డుపడే వాళ్ళు చాలామంది ఉంటారు సార్, చాలామంది ఉంటారు ఇన్ ఇన్ అగ్రెసివ్. సో బట్ మీరు మాత్రం చేసేది పొలిటికల్గా ఎనీ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఇన్ స్టాపింగ్ యువర్ వర్క్స్?
No. There are a lot of people who pointed fingers. Why are you doing it? This is doing it. Array is to that party, is that party. They try to demotivate you also. But nothing happened. I was not influenced by any party. I am not interested in any party. I don't want to speak about it. My job is, if I was attached to any party, I would have need to ask them, okay, can I do this? Can I help this? Can I start this movement? I am here. I am not answering.